run anymore.
She's barking.
Trying to protect
Her brother.
Yeah. Honey, just run.
He's just showing a lot of affection, but he's not barking.
Yeah.
Hi, honey.
What, honey, what are you doing?
Honey wants to play, but Sinjin doesn't. Come on, Sinjin.
They won't run?
He wants to see the squirrel.
She likes to chase other dogs.
See, he's...
Fixated on the
Yeah.
squirrel.